Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. He works like a teacher does. B. He works as a teacher. C. He works like he is a teacher. D. He works as a teacher does. The correct answer is he works as a teacher. Complete the sentence correctly. She sings blank a professional. Options are A. As, B. Like, C. As if, D. As of. The correct answer is like. Which sentence correctly uses as for a role? Options are A. She worked like a manager. B. She worked as a manager. C. She worked like she was manager. D. She worked as like manager. The correct answer is she worked as a manager. Choose the correct option. Do blank I say. Options are A. Like, B. As, C. As like, D. Like as. The correct answer is as. Which sentence is correct? Options are A. He looks as his father. B. He looks like his father. C. He looks as his father does. D. He looks like his father does it. The correct answer is he looks like his father. Fill in the blank correctly. She spoke blank. She knew the answer. Options are A. Like, B. As, C. As if, D. Like if. The correct answer is as if. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. She used a pen as a tool. B. She used a pen like a tool. C. She used a pen as like tool. D. She used a pen like as tool. The correct answer is she used a pen as a tool. Identify the correct usage. Options are A. He runs as a cheetah. B. He runs like a cheetah. C. He runs as cheetah runs. D. He runs like he is cheetah. The correct answer is he runs like a cheetah. Complete the sentence correctly. She works blank a guide during holidays. Options are A. Like, B. As, C. As like, D. Like as. The correct answer is as. Which rule is correct? Options are A. Like plus clause, B. As plus noun only, C. Like plus noun, D. As is never used for roles. The correct answer is like plus noun.